Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we will create fireworks in our using turtle. So okay guys, first of all we'd like to import turtle as always. Next thing we'd like to import random. Yep, then we'd like to write screen equals turtle dot screen as always, and then we'd like to write screen dot bg color equals black. T equals turtle dot turtle. T dot speed 0, like the speed of the turtle will be 0, and then T dot height turtle, it will be T dot height turtle. And then we like to write T dot width. Yep, T dot width 2. Okay guys, next thing we'd like to do is create a function, the firework. Yep. So okay, so first of all we'd like to write T dot pin up Yep. Then we'd like to write x equals random dot rand int from negative 200 to 200. Then y equals random dot rand int from 0 to 200. Yep guys, so next thing we'd like to do t dot go to, here we'd like to write x and y. Yep. Then we'd like to write t dot pen down. Then we'd like to write t dot color random dot choice, open up the brackets, and inside we'd like to write here red, then open it up yellow, then cyan, then oops guys, I ran it accidentally. Okay, so we come over here, and again lime, yep, lime color for firework would be great. Then we'd like to write orange, yep, this would also be great. Then we'd like to write magenta, yep, this color would also be great. So okay guys, then we'd like to write for this in range 12 times. Yep. Yep. Put the colon over here, and let's start. T dot forward 50 times. Then we'd like to write T dot backward 50 times, and T dot right 30 times. Okay guys, then we'd like to write here while true firework. So okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. Okay guys, here are our fireworks. As you see guys, they're getting more and more and more, and each of them is in a different color. So okay guys, this is all for this video. See you next one. Bye bye.